back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a TestTube beauty box. It is a bi-monthly subscription, and I'm not lifting the box up because not everything fit in the box, so I kind of opened it up and stuff in the lid so when I pull it out I can show you. But it does come with this booklet right here, and inside it shows you the pictures of the products with information about it as well as the cost. And a lot of times, the majority of the time, they give you a code so you can save some money on the products if you like them. But before I get into that, I want to mention two of the products last time that I actually fell in love with. And the first one would be the Narina Defend, which was here. If you remember, I was kind of nervous about this because I've used the pollution protectant type serums before, and it normally did not perform the greatest on my skin. Not terrible, just not great. But I did really like this, so yeah, I've been using it for about 2 months now, and you can see that because it's about half gone. And the other thing is the oil that they sent last time. It is by ODE, Orchard Alchemy Antioxidant Face Oil, and it smells really, really nice. And that came like this. And as you can see, this is almost half gone as well because I just thought it was super awesome and have been using it again past couple months. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into our box for this month. All right, the first thing out of this box is ELVIS plus ELVIS Grape Stem Cell Treatment Mask. And it is a moisturizing antioxidant sheet mask that defends against the formation of fine lines. This was a variant product. You could have also got, what was it, lilac stem cell. That's interesting. And that one is an acne elixir. There we go. So so they gave me the right one because acne is not so much my thing, but I am at an age for fine lines to occur. So I am excited about this one, and we will give it a try over the next 5 days, and I'll let you know what I think. The next thing we have is AVELINE Razor. It's what it is anything but average razor with multi-pivot function that's designed to give your closest shave yet. I am not sure what I think about this because I have really never seen anything like this. I guess I should use it like that. I don't know. This is very different. It's got little rollers too, so I guess you can roll it if you're doing it like that. I don't know. I am interested to see how this does. This is very different, very unique. So next we have KLORANE Shower Gel, a gently daily body collection powered by the benefits of organic cuprous. I can't pronounce it. It's a butter sustainably sourced from the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, and we don't need directions on how to use that. I typically don't use shower gels. I use my natural handmade bars of soap. But when I do receive these products, I do try it out because I want to give you honest feedback. This smells really nice. It smells like soap. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. Next we have Virtue Labs Restorative Treatment Mask. This mask delivers a hydrating and conditioning boost while the dry shampoo's invisible formula cleanses the hair and enhances the scalp health. Okay, so I didn't get the dry shampoo. This was another variant product. This is, I got the hair mask, which I'm actually really pleased. This is actually perfect for me because the blonde at my end here tends to be extra dry, so I use a lot of extra hydrating products for that. And this smells really nice. It smells very clean. I don't know how else to describe it. There's like a coconut, I don't know what it's a fruit smell, but it's not over. It's like a natural clean type fruit smell. It's not like the artificial fake fruit, but it smells really nice. It smells really good, so I'll be excited to see how well this performs in my hair. All right, the next thing I pull out is VITABIRD C12 Scalp Shampoo. The shampoo helps strengthen the hair root to create the look of volume from root to tip for incredibly voluminous and healthy looking hair. This has a lot of really good ingredients in it, including botine, which is really good for strengthening hair. And this packaging to me looks very serious, but like really nice. And it smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it, but it smells really good, and I'm excited to use this. Next we have NewBeauty Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. A delicious smelling and tasting exfoliant that's so natural you could eat it, or just apply it to your lips for mega moisture and healthy skin. So that of course is what it looked like inside the pod there. And it does smell like pina colada. It smells really good. Oh, and it's gluten-free too, if that's a thing for you. I don't really use lip polishes, but I am going to try it. I don't really need it because I keep my lips moisturized and I don't really ever get dry lips. But I'll use it. I'll give it a try and let you guys know what I think in about 5 days. Next we have Refresh Skin Therapy Fruit Acid 15% Gel Pill. It's an organic peel that helps improve the appearance of fine lines and pore size. Okay, well, I can get behind that. I don't really use a lot of face pills, mainly because it tends to irritate my extremely sensitive skin. But I'm going to try it for 5 days and we'll see if it irritates. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But I like the idea of appearance of fine lines and pore size, so that's a win for me. The last item in the box is Laura Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick. Creamy, vibrant lip color that feels weightless and lasts all day. A curved bullet shape allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. This is kind of a I don't want to say it's kind of pink and kind of red. I'm trying to think of the right word. Almost a dark fuchsia color. There we go, a dark fuchsia color. But I do like it. I think it's a good winter and fall color. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has like, little ridges on it. It's really kind of cool. Anyways, that is the last item in the box. I'm gonna go try everything out for 5 days. Oh, cool. Check this out. It's magnetized too. Anyway, so I'm going to go try out these products for the next 5 days, and I will come back and let you know how everything did. All right, so it has been over a week since I have been using the products from the TestTube powered by NewBeauty. So I am going to go ahead and go into it, and it's going to be relatively quick. Because I mean, there's not too much to say. I don't have my pictures that I have when I do the makeup ones, because the only makeup in this one was lipstick, and I'm not taking 5 pictures of just my lipstick. That's kind of crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. And speaking of lipstick, the first one I pull out here is the Laura Geller, and I really did like this. I wasn't really sure if I would or not, because the texture of it feels, I mean, it glides, it's moist, but it's not like the super slicky over moisturizing one. But I didn't feel like I had to reapply it multiple times in the day. It wore really well, it stayed put, it didn't bleed. So I do really like this lipstick. Next thing I have is the shower gel. Now again, I don't really use shower gel a lot, but I used this to really see how I felt about it, and I do like it. I thought it smelled really good, felt really good, so I have nothing to say about that other, you know, it didn't irritate my skin. So if you're into shower gels, this is a good one. Next I have this razor that was in it, which was different. And at first I wasn't really sure how I felt about it because like it's different. I still had a tendency to want to hold it like that because that's what I'm used to, but like this moves. So like when I first started shaving with it, it kind of freaked me out because I was thinking, oh no, did I break it? But no, it moves. So when you're getting other areas, it moves with it, and then it does this. So it's got these two blades, and it does this, and it does this. So it actually shaved closer and smoother than my other razor, and I really do enjoy this, and this may be a repeat product that I end up buying because it also was not very expensive. So there's that. And then there was this sugar lip polish. This is not a product I use heavily either, but I did use it and I did like it. It kind of put a nice coat on my lips, and I did like that, so I would recommend this one as well. And then I had this peel by Refresh, and on the actual package it says it's professional grade, so you know, be very cautious with that, but I did use it, and yeah, see it says professional exfoliating solution, so you need very, very little of this, and I did use it a couple times, and I have rather large pores, which you can't see on camera, and I'm not doing a close-up of my pores because I think that's weird. But this worked really good. This is like the first thing I've ever used that gave me instant pore reduction. So is it a little pricey? It's about $30, I think $32 or something like that. I'll have the price listed when I'm unboxing it, but I think it's worth it because it definitely does reduce your pore size, and you definitely do experience instant results. So I really do like this. And then we have the shampoo right here, and I really, really like the shampoo. I kind of, it just smelled really good. I found myself smelling my hair a lot because it smelled fancy, and my hair has looked really good this week, and no doubt part of it is because of the shampoo. So really enjoyed the shampoo. And the last thing was this hair mask. Now I usually don't use conditioners and stuff at the first top of my hair because it tends to be oily because of the length, but I do use hair masks at the bottom of my hair, and I don't use a lot. And you can see I've used quite a bit of this, but I usually just use like a little bit and rub it in at the ends of the hair so they're not dry and gross. And yeah, so between this and the shampoo, I think my hair is just really amazing right now. And this is not a cheap hair mask either, but you know, you will get some good results with this. So with this box, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. 7 products there. See that? 7. I give it a solid 7 out of 7, and I'm excited to see what they have in their next box. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.